It's too wet, so the others were in the greenhouse. It is done. Now it has to dry. And this, we don't talk about this. This has to be covered since too much rain will spoil the root, so I will have to cover it. Also high. Hmm. Yep. It won't keep them warm, but it will keep them from rain, at least most of it. Oh, snails are eating. I will take exactly this one. Whoop. I tried to do this one with filler. If it only can stay like this, but it won't. It already has some cracks in this, here. But I had to use the clay somewhere. Hopefully it will stop growing now and dry faster. Is it dead? Oh well. The task of the day will be this. filled with the isolation, and this I have to do something about it because it's not snug enough. I will cut something or we'll see. And it's here. That's what I'll try to do. Victims of snails. It isn't enough. Actually, we weren't even gonna cover this side, but it was too much, so we covered this too. For today, I will be making some puzzles. There and here. So I have to cut it now. This one. And we'll see how accurate it is. It doesn't fit in here. Maybe with the... Oh, okay. It fits now. We have to fight it. All good. Puzzle is done on this side. Now here, around this. Spectre is here. Checking everything out. And I guess it wants in there. There. It needs the edges to be removed. And that's left. And I have only 4 sheets of this. This is the leftover. These are waiting to be sticked in there. But I can do it right now because of this. It is not on the wall, on the ceiling. So instead I will be fixing some leveling. And I did already this one. And I will now make a little bit more. Water is ready. We have this ready. And now I'll be doing this. Only this much I could do. Tomorrow, continue. These peppers are still growing and we're leaving them because it's not so cold. They're just doing their own thing. There are a few plants left, 6 or 7. Oh, wait, there are those in there. I am trying to clean those up and transfer them in there. Well, this will be it. It's a little bit better. Now, oh well, this much for today. And that's it for this week.